Hi, Pete Miller here for Asia Focus, and I thought that it's appropriate that I make a video because today is Thursday, the 1st of January, 2026, and I'm about to embark on a one-year project. So I'll be making another video right here in the 1st of January, 2027. And the one-year project is stock footage. I'm going to see how I go with stock footage. I've never done it before. I've known people who have, and my good friend Greg Hung used to make his income from stock footage. He had a drone, and in those days, 2014, there wasn't any restrictions, and he got footage. He got excellent footage, and they made some good money from that. Now, stock footage these days in 2026 is a different game, and there'll be plenty of people tell you that it's just not worth it. And we've got Getty Images and Shutterstock combining this year sometime, and and with the introduction of AI and everything, so it's interesting times. But I thought, I'm going to give it a go, because what happened in the last 3 months of 2025 was extraordinary. It came kind of out of the blue. What happened was I went on a hike, and we had finished the hike, and I was at the Zombie Cafe in Meirin in Chiang Mai here, and I came out to get something from my bike, and I was, oh my God, look at that. And it was a group of monks in umbrellas walking across a block of land, all in orange, and it looked fantastic. And luckily I had this with me, and I filmed it on my iPhone 16 Pro Max, and it went for a minute, and they went like this, and I thought, what am I going to do with it? And you know when you've got good footage, and I thought, what am I going to do with this? And for some reason, I can't remember my actual thinking process, but it ended up on Pexels. I've never put anything up on Pexels before, but it's a free photo and video sharing app. And it went crazy. You know, Pexels are sending me emails saying, if you've seen what's happened, this is really, really, really popular. This is not on any kind of site. We've on our site or any other site. This group of monks, and people were downloading it, thousands of downloads and tens of thousands of views. And they said, have you got anything else? And I went, oh yeah, I guess so. So I've been, videoing and photographing for years, since I got here in 2014. So I had a lot of photo library. And Greg told me, if you want to be successful on these photo sharing sites, you've got to be consistent. And so I promised myself I'd upload 5 to 10 images every day, which I did, at least to the end of the year. And so I did that, and they were as popular as ever. And of course, for those people who know me and watch the YouTube channel, I went to Nepal in the beginning of 2025, and I got some wonderful images from Nepal, and I put them up on Pexels as well, and they went boom, everyone loved them, and the images from India as well. And so I thought, and here we go. This is Pete Miller Portraits in Pexels. So there it is there. So I've got nearly 700,000 views in just 3 months, and I'm 284th in line in the Pexels pecking order, and I think there's 600,000 contributors to Pexels. So that's pretty good, right? So there's a popular demand. I thought, and Minnie asked me, how am I going to monetize it? Which is a fair enough question. I thought, well, I could use it to I could use the Pexels thing for my profile. And I did get a job filming a massage school in Chiang Mai, which went really well. And then I remember what Greg said about stock footage. Stock footage is different from, say, something like a free sharing, like Pexels. Stock footage, and particularly just what I'm going to concentrate on, is Adobe stock, is sort of editorial or royalty free. I'm going to see how I go with 1 year. So there might be updates throughout the year, just to see if I can earn an income from it, a passive income. I bought this camera just the other day. I've fallen in love with cameras again. I had a Sony 6500. Yeah, it was all right. Didn't sort of thrill me, but this thrills me. This is like my old Nikon D90, which I absolutely loved, but it fell apart. And this is a 6700, and this is a gorgeous camera. And so it feels fantastic in the hand, takes lovely pictures. So I'm going to be a content creator and a stock footage guy for 1 year, and I'll let you know how it goes. Wish me luck. Bye for now. Right.